Assalamualaikum and very good evening to all of you. Okay,
Okay.
so before we start discussion, let's start with reciting nama kita al-Fatihah. Okay, so how do you all feel today?
Fine.
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 Sleepy.
For our holiday.
Okay, so Alhamdulillah. Yeah, Alhamdulillah, and recently we have finished our booklet 1.0.
Yay.
So we have sent it and submit it to our instructor. So now we will move on to the next task, which is our booklet 2.0.
Okay.
Okay, so it is the same actually like the previous one, which is we need to decide on regarding themes and also the 3 places. So do you have any ideas or suggestion on the theme first?
Okay. I think I would like adventurous theme. For me, I suggest wetland Putrajaya because it has kayaking. We can go kayaking and also paddle boat. Yeah, so it'll be very adventurous.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I agree with Alia because it sounds interesting with the paddle boat and kayak. Because I never kayak before, and maybe we should try. Or other suggestions?
What about suggesting our team is fun? For fun, maybe there's so many places that we can find the fun, such as in photo science. So many activities that we can do that. And besides that, uh, what were there? Another fun place like Tokyo Pavilion,
Yeah, Tokyo
Tokyo
Street
Street,
and
yeah, with
Pavilion.
cosplay and
Theme park.
Theme park,
yeah.
yeah. Maybe Times
But
Square.
Actually, fun is very large view.
Yeah.
So many
yeah,
places that we can fun. So how about others?
I don't know any interesting place outside the UPM, but
Okay.
but what I know in UPM, so I think is for them is culinary. There the place is first is Labyrinth in food five,
Mm-hmm.
and the food six, there's a full course restaurant from France, and there's it's a bit expensive, but I think it's worth it. And the last part in dinner is dinner place near International Office. I think
Where is
it's
it?
good. Near bicycle Faculty of Mathematics Research.
Never mind.
Okay.
We'll Google.
So I think that's my opinion. What about you?
For me, I agree with you so teams, which is fine because fine for me it's a very big view. We have a lot of places that related to fun, and the places that I suggest for fun team is Dataran Putra that we can play rollerblade there at night. It's very fun there. That's all I can think now. Sahira, you have anything to say?
okay. When I heard that Nazmi talk about food, I have one places that I want to go, which are the boat noodles. You have heard before?
No, what is that?
The the restaurant is also unique, like the Warisan Mitarik, but he or the owner serve us with a lot of bowl of noodles, and he serve with multiple how to
Multiple
say
layers.
multiple layers of noodles in the bowl, and one
Bowl
bowl
cost.
only one 9 piece
One ringgit and 90.
90 cents.
Wow.
We can eat a lot, and after that we can show off how much more we can eat. That's the unique
Point noodle.
about the restaurant.
Wow.
You have another suggestion?
Where the restaurant?
The restaurant, I just found it at Cyberjaya. And they have a mall, and the boat noodle is inside the mall.
Okay.
Mm.
So I think we should come back to our discussion regarding the themes. So have we decided which theme that we will use? Because actually, from what I had heard the theme about fun, the theme about adventurous, and also about food. So which one do you want to pick for our group?
Boat.
Okay,
So okay, for the first one, who choose the food?
Fine.
Food.
Food.
Okay,
I think I will choose the food team.
me and Najmi.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay, so the adventurous,
Me.
Only one.
only one. Alright, so for fun, okay, three.
Okay.
Okay,
Fine.
so we have decided that our group will do the theme which is fun.
Yay.
Okay, so now
It's
let
okay.
us discuss about the three places that we are going to do regarding the theme fun. Okay, and now I think we should move on to discuss about the three places that we are going to visit. So I think each and every one of you should give one suggestion place to go. So may I start first?
Okay.
Okay, so my suggestion regarding the fun theme, we should go to Pusat Sains Negara, which is located in Bukit Kiara, Kuala Lumpur. Which the time for the business hour is actually at 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. And the fees are cheap, and I think we can
Reasonable.
reasonable and we can afford it, which is only ringgit.
Okay.
Okay, so at there they have many interesting things that you can do, what they call by hand, and also you can try and do it by yourself, which is like something regarding to science. Actually, there we have some sort of suit that we can that are being using in the space. So at Pusat Senegal, we can use that suit to try ourselves. That is one of the interesting things about there. And also, if sometimes in Pusat Senegal, they also have an exhibition, which is when I recently have gone there. They have Islamic exhibition, which is in the hall. There's a lot of instrument and also things that have been invented by the Muslims, such as by Ibn Sina and sort of that. Okay, so I think Shaira, so yes,
Okay.
yes.
For me, Pusat Negara is a great idea, and I suggest that we can go to planetarium. Have been to planetarium before?
No.
No.
No. Okay. At the planetarium, I've been there once. There is a space theatre.
Wow.
It's a dome shape. The dome shape, they what you call they
Project.
like projector.
Project.
They project the screen wide, and then we lay down like that, and we can see the galaxy,
Wow.
the galaxy them, and how the meteor and whatsoever in the space there, and it's very interesting,
Okay.
and it's not very expensive.
Okay.
I think the operating time is from 9 to 4.
Mm.
Okay, how about you, Najmi?
Uh, how about bowling?
Where? It's
Okay,
okay.
it's not very, I don't know, but I think it's a good idea. Uh, and it can be found in any mall near UPM like IOI, Mines, or South City Plaza. But the cheapest one, I think, in South City Plaza, uh, around 10 ringgit with two games.
Okay.
So I think it's a good deal.
Okay.
Any idea, Yusuf?
I'm suggesting we go to the Petro Science, KLCC, the Twin Tower, near with the Twin Tower, because last time I go there, there are many things, activity that we can do there, such as first the helicopter simulation of helicopter,
Wow.
and
We
a
can try
simulation of
helicopter.
in petroleum,
Mhm.
and there are too many things,
Mm,
space and others. And any suggestion?
okay. I suggest that we go to Tokyo Street at Pavilion. There we can find many things. At Japan, they have stalls and everything, and sometimes they also have cosplays. You know, anime.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mhm.
Yeah. So they have cosplay exhibition there. So
Okay. For me, actually, I already point out my suggestion, which is Dataran Putrajaya. That at their place, that at there, we can do some activity, which is we can playing rollerblade there. We need to pay only 10 ringgit for infinity
Oh,
Oh.
until we
dah
cannot
ya.
play anymore.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that.
That's
Okay,
my
that.
suggestion. Okay, Azim.
So,
Three.
so I think we should come to conclusion for the three places that we should choose. Okay, so I think I suggest that we should go to the two places that are really near to each other, which is the Petrol Science and also the Tokyo Street, which
Yes.
is suggested by Yusuf and also Alia.
Can
okay.
I
And
ask why?
also, I think because it is because we can cut the cost.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
because
Yeah.
we just only need to pay
Only
for the petrol science and
petrol science
also
is very cheap.
the transport for per
The
meter.
okay.
And at the Tokyo Street, no
That's
need
three.
to pay.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Low
And
cost.
then another one is the roller rollerblade and also to play bubbles at the Dataran Putra,
Okay.
because the first one is it is near to Putrajaya, which it is situated in Putrajaya, which is near to UPM,
Yes.
and also we just need to pay once to play for infinity.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Until
do you
die.
so all of you, are you agree with the three places that I have
Agree.
stated?
Yes,
Agree.
Yes.
agree.
Totally
I
Totally
agree.
agree.
okay. So I think that's all for discussion for this week. We should be prepared for next week to go there.
All right.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I think that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.